Hey there, I'm Dory with the blog thisfulllife5.com. We are in the middle of a budget-friendly kitchen renovation. Last week we showed you how we transformed our kitchen floors using a stencil. This week we'd like to show you how to add a shiplap look to your island or peninsula for less than $25. Here's what our peninsula looked like before. It was covered with an outdated piece of paneling. We purchased a 4x8 piece of plywood. Since we didn't have a table saw, we asked them to cut the boards to size for us. We filled the slats where the paneling would show through with joint compound. And then Eric made the cuts to go around the door with his miter saw. Then we began nailing the boards on, leaving about a 1/4 inch between each board. When all the boards were attached, we went back with caulk to fill in any gaps and nail holes and to give it a finished look. Once the caulk was dry, it was ready for paint. First we gave it a coat of primer, and then we used Valspar's furniture paint to give it 2 coats of gray. We added a new knob to the door to finish it off, and here are the results. For around $25, we gave our bar area a completely updated shiplap look. For more about our home, check out our previous projects on the blog at thisfulllife5.com.